Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to crop an image into a perfect circle in Microsoft Word. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Word document and insert your image. Go to the Insert tab at the top, click on Pictures, and select this device to bring in your photo. By default, Word locks the image in place. To make it movable, select the image, go to the Picture Format tab, click Wrap Text, and select in front of text. Now you can easily resize and drag your image exactly where you need it. Next, let's make it a perfect circle. Make sure your image is selected, then go back to the Picture Format tab. Click the arrow under the crop button, hover over aspect ratio, and select 1:1. This makes your image a perfect square, which is the secret to getting a flawless circle. Now click that crop arrow one more time, hover over crop to shape, and choose the oval shape, and there you go, a perfect circle. If you want to adjust the picture inside the circle, just click the main crop button. You can now drag the image around or zoom in within the circular frame to get the perfect positioning. To make it pop, you can also add a border from the Picture Format tab. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick, straightforward guides. See you in the next one.